The issue of the Jack Ma, some theft about Jack Ma. I have heard about this story about theft of Jack Ma continuously. What I have never seen is an investigation that has led to somebody, because we can account with our laboratories. We are able to tell you these are the reagents we got from Jack Ma. This is how the reagents have been used. And Madam Chair, just for the record, let me just say that when it comes to the issue of reagents and so on and so forth, majority of what we have been using in this country have actually been, we have used a lot more reagents that are recorded here in terms of purchases, because majority of the reagents we have got, Madam Chair, are actually from donors, the World Bank, the World Health Organization, etc., friends from China. These are some of the reagents that we have been using. And if you remember, at the original stages, it was very, very difficult for us to work at all, including the fact that we couldn't even test here. The first test we had done, we had to take to South Africa in order for us just to survive and to know what, whether we have COVID cases in our country. So I think it is good to be alive. It is good to be alive to the situation that was there in March of this year when COVID-19 came out, in terms of global supply chains, in terms of global availability of goods, of commodities that we needed. In fact, Madam Chair, one of the lessons I would say that as a nation we need to learn and to accept and to say from now going henceforth is the fact that you can have money and you don't have medicine. You can have money to buy medicine and you don't have the medicine. And that was the surprising and awful situation that we were in March of this year. So I don't know where the issue of the fact that we sent instructions to, I don't know who is supposed to have sent instructions to KEMSA and also sent individuals, written individuals say that, please supply to so and so, or this is the person who is going to supply. I don't know who is supposed to have done that. I can say for a fact, it isn't this one you're looking at. So, who is supposed to have done that? It would be interesting to know. And these are the things I'm talking about, theories and innuendos that are just fiction. Madam Chair, when you talk about this report, for example, that the Honorable, my brother, the Honorable Jagago has quoted, the same report in today's papers is now supposed to have been sourced from a guy who is fake. If you look at the social media and you see what they are talking about, even members of parliament, senators, members of parliament who are supposedly in the list of people who are supposed to be suppliers, which one are you going to believe? And that is why I think in the good standing orders of this house, it was noted, and it is part of the standing orders, if it is still the same orders, Madam Chair, that reports coming from outside, whether in social media, whether in so-called mainstream media, are not part of proceedings of this house. And therefore, I would be abusing your own standing orders if I started talking about people who are supposedly supplying these things and mention members of parliament, mention members of the Senate in accordance with the social media that is there in today's saga. So, Madam Chair, I would just like to avoid that whole thing.